Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add a fingerprint on Redmi phones. So here is Redmi Note 15 5G is the same also for the Pro version, and if you want to add a security level on your phone you can do it. For that you can add a fingerprint. Just go to settings and here scroll and go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Okay, and here we have screen lock, fingerprint unlock and face unlock. I will add a fingerprint. For that you need to tap here, and first you need to add a pattern, pin or a password. So I will add a pattern, and here remember your screen lock. If you forget it, you have to erase all data on your device. Okay, tap got it. Now set your pattern and do it again, and now confirm. And now we have a screen protector on this phone, and screen protectors might interfere with the screen fingerprint, so we recommend using an official film. Okay, got it. And now just put your finger here, and you need to do it for a few times until your fingerprint is recorded. You need to move a little the finger and lift after vibration. And now it's done. Just tap done, and that's all. Now if you want to add another one, you can do it. Just tap add fingerprint, and that's all. And now if you exit and lock your screen, you can use your fingerprint. Just put it here, and now your phone is unlocked. If you use another finger, as you can see, the screen is still locked, and you need to draw your pattern. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next one. Have a nice day.